They say you can't teach an old dog new tricks. If you don't know, I've been in this industry now for 29 years and I'm still learning something new every day, whether it's about business or whether it's about manufacturing. Now, we recently bought this laser cutter and I wanted to know more about it. I know the advantages, I know what it means for our business, but to actually use it, have that set of skills, who knows, maybe I want to come back and spend the rest of my career down here on the shop floor with the boys. We've imported the CAD file, which has been supplied to us from the customer. We've set up the machine to tell it what material we're using and the thickness. The parts have been nested and I've set the laser up. There's a red dot, that's about where it's ready to start cutting. So if you've spent your career in an office or haven't seen stuff get made, quite interesting. Stuff like this, I still get excited about every day. I like seeing stuff. Here we go, there's one piece cut already. And we're going to cut 10 pieces. The cool part about it is I also understand the part, what it does and where it fits into. This part is initially designed in Japan as the OEM bracket, and it's going to be assembled into the Tangara fleet of trains. Now, we make hundreds and thousands of parts that go into rolling stock all over the country, and this is just another simple example of a Moxon product being made in Australia and put back into the train.